Hey folks, it's Kevin. Today we're talking about what a contingent sale means, how it benefits homeowners, and what you should expect when you do decide to sell your house. A contingent home sale is when a homeowner decides to sell their current property and use the proceeds from that sale to purchase their next home. As you can imagine, when a homeowner is dealing with two separate real estate transactions simultaneously, it can be very stressful on them. And as a real estate agent, our job is to ensure that we get our sellers the most amount of money possible without leaving them homeless. And so what is it that we do to ensure a successful contingent home sale? The best method to doing this is pre-marketing the home for sale. The reason why is because you want to begin marketing and advertising your home to potential buyers without feeling the pressure of putting the home on the market. There are two big pitfalls that some sellers fall into when doing a contingent sale. Number one is that you have to turn down ready, willing, and able buyers if you haven't already located that replacement property where you're moving into. The second one is investing too much time during that home search while you've already put the home on the market. So now the days on market that everybody can see ticks every single day that you haven't found that replacement property. And in the buyer's mind, they begin to wonder, well, what's wrong with this house and why isn't it selling? In order to successfully pre-market a home for sale, you're gonna wanna do the following. It all starts with cleaning and packing away any personal belongings. I always recommend clearing off kitchen counters, bathroom counters, and leaving as minimal furniture as possible within the living area. You can put these possessions into the garage or other storage spaces, as those are less important when marketing the home. Once the property is prepared, we'll hire a professional media team to do professional photos as well as professional video that we can then run ads on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. This is really important because when we put out a post on those platforms and run ad dollars behind it, we can view the insights of who's liking that post, who's commenting, and who's sharing with their friends or family. This way, we can reach out to them directly, personal message them, and say, hey, if you know of anybody interested, please share their information so we can connect with them, and on the day that it's prepared, we'll invite you first. In addition to our online marketing efforts, we will call the surrounding 100 neighbors to tell them about the upcoming sale. In addition, we will visit them in person, provide them with a postcard so they can see the upgrades and the condition of the property. What happens then is these people become walking billboards. When they go to family events or spend time with friends, if they overhear them thinking about purchasing a home, naturally they're going to tell them about this upcoming sale in their neighborhood because it's likely that they'll want them to be their neighbor. In addition, a small amount of those individuals who we meet at their home could potentially be renters. And what we know about renters is that most times when they purchase a home, they want to stay within the same neighborhood that they're currently in. As mentioned earlier, during our pre-marketing campaign, it is very important that we're out searching for your replacement property. Ideally, we've identified a home that you're looking to move into, we've submitted an offer, and the sellers have said yes. At the same time that we've had an acceptance on the purchase of your replacement property, we can now put your current home on the market and begin fielding offers. If our timelines match up, we can close on the sale of your home within 21 days and allow you to stay an extra 30 days after closing, but already have the funds from the sale deposited into your bank account. This way, you're not feeling the pressure to close escrow on the purchase or to get funds from the sale, and you can comfortably go through the investigation process on your new home purchase. And this is how we're able to alleviate sellers of the stress of managing two transactions at the same time. I understand that every home sale requires its own unique touch, and there are so many other things that we can do to market and sell homes. Yet for the sake of keeping this video as concise as possible, I elected not to go that far into detail. If you found value from this video, please hit the like button, send it to a friend or a family member who is considering selling their home to purchase another, and lastly, subscribe to my channel and stay posted on any future videos. I'll see you in the next one.